You've probably seen these crazy AI videos all over the internet, and you're asking yourself, okay, how can I create these AI videos myself? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning AI videos that you can use for your Instagram Reels and YouTube videos and whatever you want. So we're going to open up freepik.com. This is probably the best hub to create AI videos. What's really great about this is that you're not locked into one AI video generation model. You have different models from all around, right? So for example, there's Runway or Kling AI. You can buy one of those, but whenever there's a new update from the competitor and so on, you don't have access to it. And what's really great about Freepik is that you have all the AI models in one place, very easily accessible with most of the features. So it just makes most sense because AI is going so fast. You never know what's the best model at that time, and it evolves. In 1 week, Kling AI is really good. Then another week is Runaway really good. So we're going to have a look at Freepik. I'm at the Premium Plus tier. It just makes the most sense because I'm generating so much and you have the best quality out of it. So we're going to hop onto AI video generator right here. And here is where all the magic happens, right? So we can jump here over to mode, and we've got auto quality, auto fast. And basically what we can do here is change our model, right? For example, right now at the time of the recording, Kling 2.1 Master is the best model that Freepik offers, right? I'm in the European Union, that's why I don't have Google VO3 here yet, but that's going to come in shortly, I believe. So Kling 2.1 Master is the best. I'm using Kling 2.1 just because it's more efficient and cheaper than Kling 2.1 Master. What you can also do is pick auto or auto quality based on your preference. I wouldn't go for fast unless you're really in a hurry. So I'll go for Kling 2.1, and what's really good is that you can generate videos in 1080p. Right here, you can change the format of it. If you want to do Instagram Reels, you go for 9:16. I'm doing stuff mostly for widescreen, so that's why I have 16:9. Here you can generate the length of it. So I'll start with an image. And what's really cool is that you can bring back alive certain photos that you've taken, right? So this is a photo from an airport in Philadelphia that I've taken with my friends. And basically it will write a prompt for me, right? So that's really sick. You can read the prompt and then you can adjust it based off what you want it to do, right? I think it looks really good, and I'll just hit generate, right? So this is one way how you can generate videos. Now it's going to be generating. The other way is that you can actually prompt something out. So earlier today, I was playing with the idea of a futuristic soldier being in Dubai, just going around. What you can do here, I'll just put so I've written a prompt about Donald Trump riding a donkey in New York City. What you can also do is if you click on the effects, you can have certain modes, right? So I'll pick this move down mode because I think it looks really good, and we're going to hit generate, right? So we're going to wait a couple of minutes. In the meantime, we've got our video of us just smiling, giggling at the airport. Looks very legit. This is actually how I remember it, and it's super cool. So loving that. It's insane. So that's one way how you can generate videos. The other thing is that you probably want an AI generated image that you start with. And why do you want to do that? So basically, AI generated videos are kind of expensive. What you want to do first is generate images that you can then animate afterwards with AI video, right? So here I'll hit, and then what I usually choose is Google Imagen 4 because I find it to have the best results. Also, Mystic is really cool, especially for characters. Love that one. And then yeah, you can just hit generate. So we're going to see Porsche 911 driving down the Dolomites in a minute. So this looks very good. Now what we can do is we can go to upscale, and we can change it to films and photography, upscale it. And why do we want to do it? Because like usually the images become kind of blurry, and with the upscale feature, it just adds more detail, adds more richness, which the video generation can then utilize, right? So that's that. You can see right here that it is a huge difference, especially with the trees in the background and the detail over here. We can see that this didn't really get fixed. No worries about that. Looks super good and stunning. So if you go back to video generator, we can go to the auto quality, start image. I'll pick the Porsche. It's going to write a prompt for us. Looks good to me, and I'll just hit generate. So now it's going to be generating a video for us. In the meantime, we've got Donald Trump on a donkey in New York City. Looks really good. The motion is nice. Bustling city, a lot of people. So from my point of view, it looks very, very good. What we can do with it is we can go to edit and we can hit upscale. So what this does is that it in general just makes the video much more detailed, and if we put in 30 FPS, it will also fix some of the frame interpolation, so it just looks more smooth and higher quality in general. So we're going to do that, and then we're also going to add sound effects, right? So that's going to be it. We've also got the Porsche here driving down the Dolomites. Looks stunning, looks really good. Can't complain about this. So yeah, that looks very nice indeed. Okay, so we've got the upscaled version here, and it looks a lot better, a lot smoother, a lot more detail compared to the original. So this is how you can generate AI videos in Freepik. Super easy, no fluff. If you've enjoyed it, definitely consider subscribing, because I'll be making a lot more tutorials for generative AI videos, images, all that shenanigans. And yeah, happy to see you here on the channel.